Hey, I don't think there can be enough emphasis on telling stories, especially telling stories when you're teaching or when you're trying to sell a product, whatever. One of the number one stories that I ever heard made everything click for me. So I want to share this story with you. Now, the title of the story is How to Turn Zero to Profit. Okay, so the story goes kind of like this. Once upon a time, there was a struggling marketer named John. No matter how hard he tried, couldn't sell any of the products he promoted. Frustrated and desperate for a breakthrough, he came up with a unique idea. John decided to give away his products for free, believing that if people experienced the quality firsthand, they would become loyal customers. However, he faced a challenge. He needed to ensure that people valued what they received despite not paying for it. So John came up with an ingenious plan. Set up a small shop and place a sign that read, "Everything inside is absolutely free." Curiosity piqued, people flocked to the shop, excited about the prospect of receiving something without paying a dime. They entered eagerly, browsing through various items and selecting what they liked. However, as they finished choosing their desired items and attempted to leave, they encountered an unexpected obstacle. A massive lion was stationed at the exit, blocking the path. Startled and alarmed, people quickly realized that they couldn't leave without taking action. John, observing this, approached the bewildered crowd and calmly explained, "Don't worry, there's a way to safely exit, but you must pay a small fee to pass by the lion." Initially hesitant, the customers soon realized that the value of their chosen items far exceeded the minimum fee required to leave the shop unharmed. Now, relieved and understanding the clever twist, they willingly paid the fee and departed with their free products. Now, word spread about John's unique marketing approach, and soon people were flocking to his shop from all over. Free products became highly sought after, and the presence of the lion added an exciting and memorable element to the whole experience. John's sales skyrocketed, and his shop thrived. Through his creative strategy, he demonstrated that unconventional methods could capture attention and create perceived value and ultimately drive sales. And so marketers who couldn't sell anything found success by giving away for free and adding a lion at the door, leaving people with a memorable story to tell years to come. Now, if you want me to explain how this is related to your business and how you can use this approach, just read the section in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.